Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can receive gifts on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then you want to go to TikTok Studio. Once you're on here, underneath monetization, you should see video gifts. So you just want to tap on that, and then you should have the option to toggle on gifts. And this will just say viewers can send gifts on your eligible videos when the feature is turned on. So if you go to turn it on, it'll bring up this page just letting you know the requirements that are needed. So you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers. Videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible. You must have had the account for at least 30 days and meet the minimum age requirement. So if you have all them ticks on there, you can turn on gifts. And that's how you can receive gifts on TikTok. Thanks for watching.